To fund your wallet, click on the Fund Wallet shortcut as a new co-creator to generate a virtual account. Alternatively, navigate to the menu, select Wallet, and then click Fund Wallet. For now, let's use the shortcut. To create a virtual account, click the Create Account button below and wait a few milliseconds for the process to complete. Please note that a flat transaction fee of 50 Naira applies to wallet funding. Once your virtual account has been successfully created, your account details will be displayed. To check your account details later, simply click on View. Now, let's return to the dashboard. You can transfer funds to this virtual account at any time, and the amount will instantly reflect in your wallet balance. To combine your referral bonus with your wallet balance for transactions, go to the menu, select Wallet, and click on Move Bonus to Wallet. Confirm the action by clicking OK. Click OK again to proceed past the successful merging notification. Your referral bonus is now available for use. The wallet has been successfully funded, as we can see here and here. Notice that the border of the wallet balance box has changed from black to green. Once the wallet balance falls below a predetermined amount, the border will change to red, signaling that the wallet needs a top-up.